Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I just like to share with you the new norm of traveling by train and coach from London to Scotland. So I'm on the London Underground, and it's been a while since I last used the train, the Underground. The last time I used it was in beginning of January 2020. Yun yung pabalik ako galing ng Pilipinas. So it's now September. So ganun na siya katagal na nakalabas ako ng lungga at makapag-holiday. So this is my first holiday from January. And as you can see here, konti lang yung tao, considering it's a Friday night, and for majority of the people on a Friday night, as it's the last working day of the week, people will go out, meet friends, have fun, enjoy themselves. But as you can see, tahimik yung train, konti lang ang nagbabiyahe. And you're also required now to wear face mask while you're on the train, unless you are actually exempted. So I just arrived at the Victoria Tube Station, and I'm now walking towards the coach station. So it should normally takes about 5 to 7 minutes depending on how quick you actually walk. And as you can see here, konti lang din yung mga sasakyan na nandito. Usually, talagang busy ang road at maraming tao dito sa mga bus stop. Mahirap kang talagang magsisigsag ka sa mga tao. But as, tahimik ang kalye. So, it is quite weird na, to see it like this. At normally, itong coach station, sa labas pa lang, makikita mo ang daming tao. And then, tignan mo ang daan. Ang tahimik talaga. So, it is quite really weird to see it like this. So, even the buses, tahimik din. Ang, konti lang ang nabiyahe. So, the new norm here ay, una, ipapakita mo na yung ticket mo dito sa front desk, and they'll tell you kung saang gate ka pupunta. At meron ding mga hand sanitizers available, so make sure you use that. So you will notice as well here na meron ng barrier. This is to tell the passengers to observe and follow the one-way system. And meron na rin mga stickers na makikita mo sa mga upuan na nakalagay para sa social distancing. So it's only 10:30 in the evening, but I've noticed the shops here are actually shut already. So I'm not sure if they've temporarily changed their opening times. But so if you need to, get anything for snacks, for your tea, sandwiches, anything like that, you can't buy it here. So you need to buy it before kayong pumunta sa station. So medyo maraming tao sa part na ito. So I think majority or nang mag-leave for tonight ng mga coaches ay dito sa part na ito manggagaling. So although medyo maraming tao na nandito na naghihintay, this is actually nothing compared to what it used to be. Dahil dati talagang, alam mo, ang daming tao, siksikan. So, I'm here waiting at gate 8, and it's only 10:30, and the coach will leave at 11 p.m. and it should arrive in Glasgow at 7 a.m. So once the gate is open, you'll just have to queue up and wait till they check your ticket. And if you have, bulky suitcases or luggage, you just hand it to them. So they'll put it in the compartment. But if you're traveling light, you can just take your bag with you in your seat. And that saves you for waiting for them to get your luggage when you get to your destination. And the good thing about this is there are plenty of legroom. So also plenty of space for your small bags. At dahil malayo ang biyahe, meron siyang available na toilet dito sa baba. And the new norm is pag akyat mo ng hagdan, meron ng hand sanitizer. And you will also notice na yung katabi mong upuan ay meron ng sticker na nakalagay na not in use. So it means keep that vacant. So to be honest, it's actually a blessing in disguise that the seat next to me is gonna be not in use. So it means I can easily just lie down and use this spare seat. And and I'm hoping I'll be able to sleep and get comfortable. Because let's be honest, although there are plenty of leg room, it is just going to be too difficult for me to keep my feet on the floor. So I might as well lie down because I can. And if there are few of you traveling, you are allowed to sit together, next to each other, or you just choose to sit apart, and because of the social distancing. So inside the coach as well, you'll be able to charge your gadgets, your phone, your tablet, because there's a USB plug available and a wireless charging as well. It is now 11 p.m. and we are departing the station, so we're leaving on time. So here we go, and so I'll say goodbye London for now. And good morning Scotland. So we are now here, but I think we're still quite far away sa station, our destination. So we now arrived at the Buchanan Bus Station. We're actually running 40 minutes behind schedule. So luckily for me, it will leave me plenty of time to get to Queen Street Station to get my train going to Fort William. So to walk to that station, it will only about up to 10 minutes, and I should be able to grab something to eat for breakfast and take it on to the train. So that's it guys, and thanks for watching. I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, please don't forget to click the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate all your support. So thanks again everyone. So keep well and safe. Thank you. Bye bye.